Welcome to today's presentation on how collaborative requirements management can help you develop and deliver the right products. Let's begin by looking at how you keep up with requirements today. Most companies use standalone applications to manage customer requirements. You probably have a few people creating requirements documents or spreadsheets on their desktop applications. You may be sharing requirements on an ad hoc basis through phone calls, meetings, email, and fax. But these manual processes of communicating requirements are slow and prone to error, taking a great deal of time and effort. As change takes place, requirements become outdated and unreliable. The challenge for most enterprises is not in creating requirements, but in keeping those requirements up to date and credible, so they can guide product decisions throughout the life cycle. And that's where Team Center comes in. Opposed to the standalone requirements tracing tool, document, or spreadsheet you're using today, Team Center links requirements with the rest of your product lifecycle. With Team Center, requirements are visible to decision makers and stay up to date and credible. With Team Center, you can deliver products that meet customer needs, which means products that customers will buy. You can hit revenue and performance targets such as cost, quality, and time to market. You can manage risks, avoid recalls, and prove regulatory compliance. And you can reduce the time and cost of managing requirements. Let's look at how Team Center helps capture and manage requirements. Is this your requirements management software today? If it is, you're not alone. In fact, most requirements today are created in Microsoft Word documents or Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. That's why Team Center has integrated Microsoft Office as its user interface. Now you can take those same requirements documents and spreadsheets, use them to create, edit, and maintain requirements, then deliver them to the enterprise in a managed way. With Team Center, you can consolidate customer needs from diverse sources, including Excel and Word files and tracing tools. You can improve productivity by creating and editing requirements from familiar Microsoft Office desktop tools. You can track requirements in an organized structure with links to all related information as the product evolves. And you can make better product decisions based on a single, reliable source of requirements that communicates planning and design intent. Often you'll receive requirements in document form. Team Center can import an existing document, such as a specification document, and automatically parse it for requirements using the traditional numbered structure of a specification document. Team Center then builds a structure of requirements that matches the structure of the document. These individual requirements can be linked, routed, changed, and released to participate in all of the enterprise processes of your PLM implementation. You can track changes and follow the audit trail to prove compliance. You can see that Word is embedded within Team Center, and since you already know how to use Word, it's easy to insert anything that you can put in a Word document, like images, JT files, formulas, OLE objects, and Visio diagrams. You have the choice of editing the Word document within Team Center, or you can export to a live Word document where you're actually editing objects and properties in Team Center right from the Word user interface. With Team Center, you can capture and consolidate requirements from diverse sources to track requirements in an organized structure with traceability to manage change, prove compliance, and reuse requirements and related information on future projects. Consider how Team Center guides decisions at ATK, in the words of John Jarrett, Senior Manager of Engineering Systems. We take those requirements and we decompose them. So at the downstream level, those guys need to be aware of what requirements they're designing to or what requirements they're manufacturing to. And then they can validate and verify that they're actually meeting those requirements. And Black Diamond can track changes through Team Center. In the words of Dave Mellon, Being able to see how a project changes and morphs, takes different spins in terms of project's life cycle, is really important to be able to communicate in a very easy way and make that information so that it's accessible by people when they feel that they need it. To learn how Teamcenter can help your company manage requirements, visit other areas of our website, register for a live seminar, or call a sales representative in your area. Ask how Teamcenter can help you capture and manage customer needs by consolidating requirements from isolated standalone applications, most likely Microsoft Office documents and spreadsheets, and connect stakeholders throughout the product lifecycle so people from product planning to engineering to manufacturing have visibility to requirements to align decisions with the product strategy. Manage changing requirements, whether it's communicating changes from planning downstream or from engineering and manufacturing back to product management. And trace and reuse requirements, both looking backward at the end of a project to prove compliance or forward to make better decisions for future projects. Take the next step to collaborative requirements management so you can develop and deliver the right products for your customers. Thank you for your time today.